Should I check?
Anybody home? Okay, so I guess I'm pretty much on time. I like to be punctual, you see. Hello, Ronita. How are you?
Hi Ronita. Hi Rohit. I can see some known names here.
Okay, so without wasting more time,
No, we'll wait for some more time. I think Prashant, there might be few more people here joining.
okay, Anu wants to wait. I think she's looking for somebody special. Okay, anyways, I think we should start without wasting any time. I think in the real world, we are usually very late. So at least in the virtual world, we should be on time, you see. I like to be on time, by the way.
See, a lot of them are Devika. I can see Devika. I can see Avril. I can see Ankita and is it Ankita? Shilpa is here.
What is time? 5:30. Let's begin. Okay. So welcome everyone. This is Good Homes tour, home tour, especially made probably for your entertainment, I guess. And we're going to take a very interesting, fun tour to our house, our new home. And this is a part of the campaign from Good Homes, which is Stay Indoors, Stay Inspired. So for now, I'm going to ignore all the comments and I'm just going to take everyone to a beautiful tour. Don't expect me to open the door and Anu to welcome you inside the home like Tulsi Virani. She is not Tulsi Virani, okay? So let's go live, guys. Okay, so I'm going to flip my camera quickly for you to enter the home. So this is what we love doing. Of course, you will see a lot of plants. This one especially has been our baby since last 14 years, I'm guessing. So that's what you would see. And that's the entire material palette that you would get introduced to right at the beginning. So I guess a lot of my neighbors by default know that it's an architect's house. Okay, so by public demand, I know that you all want Anu to do the Tulsi style. So Anu, are you game for it? Let's do the Tulsi style. Okay, so she is already shy now. So welcome to our home. This is the first thing that you see.
Hi. Hello everyone. How's everyone doing?
Okay, so by default, I am sure you know that the big boss of the house is Madam A, and that is what it speaks about. There are some interesting posters that we've collected over our travels. That one is the Shard. It's a beautiful artist whom I met in New York, and he made us a beautiful art piece, which actually is a foldable art. So it just folds and becomes a small pocket-size art square. So that is very interesting. Oh, lovely. This one is a hand-stitched. Sorry, not hand-stitched. I guess this is some very interesting. Yeah, A for apple, of course. So that's a beautiful piece. Again, we came across another artist at Paris, and he wove this for us. That's our beautiful pictures. That's a lovely sun. I'm sure you can guess whose favorite he is. Those are the wooden blinds. That's our window seating, kind of window seating which adds up as a dining corner. And also when we have a few more friends over, it just adds up to a little more space for friends. So maybe the dining table might be small, but it's good enough for a lot of people to accommodate. That's the idea of a round table basically. I'd like to show you something very interesting. Now this is something very beautiful. It's a old reclaimed wooden masala crusher, spice mixer, spice crusher basically. So we've reclaimed this from an Oshivara market and converted that into a beautiful base for the dining table. It also becomes a very interesting stuff when you kind of, place your feet around while you're sitting. So there's a low height seating with a low chair, just gives a little bit of zen feel to the space. Okay, that's the brewing counter. I'm keeping it very clear. This is not a bar. I know, although few of my friends really know what it is. Then I'll show you something more interesting. This is the door to the kitchen. Now, if you see something very interesting, is this wooden grills, which is again a reclaimed windows, reclaimed louvers, basically wooden louvers. So we've used them purely for ventilation. So while the cook is inside, which these days is the madam, you can still have a little bit of ventilation come through. So that's the kitchen. I think Anu should take you to a tour to the kitchen from this. Anu, why don't you just join us? Okay, so this is a very nice, interesting, tiny kitchen where I don't think you will find a overhead storage. You will not find any mess because madam doesn't like to. And then happens the entry of Tulsi Virani.
Very messy kitchen. Very light, I think, but very modern. I really like patterns all around. And anyways, I have a very lovely cook who comes every morning to cook good food for me. So I need to give him a good place also. It cannot be a very drab and very bad place. It has to be very lively and good looking. So that's very important. The main color palette that I really like is the black with the grey. And this is a composite stone with an Italian marble. Italian marble is little difficult to maintain, but still fine because it is giving a good texture to the place. The counter is clean. Some storage is here. I think the best part about storage here, it looks very small, but here if you see how well organized all the lentils and other things are, it takes care of at least 15 people food in this small kitchen.
See, that's how OCD we are.
Okay, so here, this is a small kitchen, but then we have an extended utility area. So,
Would you want to talk about your arches, Anu?
oh my arches, oh my god, I love these textures because I think these give it a very earthy look and it gives a good combination with my modern kitchen feel. And I think if it gets dirty also, it doesn't feel that, hand stains are there. I think that's the main intention, but my arches, I really love these arches. Okay, now we enter the utility area. So this utility area is mainly where you can do ironing, you can keep your extra stuff, and there is a point for everybody in the house or every friend who comes to our house that do not ask what is there for food, eat what is there, or otherwise you can go home and starve and just go to sleep however you want.
Yeah, I am the victim to that.
So it's very strict that eat what is given. There is no option that will be provided to anyone here. Okay, so here if you see some ladder, my machine and all the other utility area very practically is placed here. I think rest, again there's not a lot of storages, few storages. I think it takes care of most of the things for the house because we are very small family of 3, so I think a lot of things can be taken. Or the plants, this is grown by me by the seeds that I had got from some other plant, and this has been grown and this has been there with me for 1.5 years now.
That's ajwain.
Oh, that is Prashant's, I think.
So I have heard it makes some lovely pakoras. So we're waiting for the rains now, and hopefully someday that plant is going to give us some awesome pakoras. This one is tulsi. This one is mojito ingredient, obviously.
Very important, very important for the house. In today's time, when you're not supposed to go out or anywhere, this is really a blessing.
So that's going to keep us alive. Okay. Anyways, see, I like to keep my dishes very clean. I've already done my part of BJP. As you all know it. Those are some beautiful old bottles which we love collecting.
I think we can go out from.
Oh yes, Tulsi ji. Okay.
There's already outside, I think.
Okay, so I am sure I've missed out the living room, which is really the hero of this place. So I'll quickly take you on the tour to the living room as well. Now, a very interesting thing is the floor. So this is a terrazzo floor, a mosaic by CMC, and which basically is absolutely seamless. So you will absolutely see no joints. That's the beauty of this floor, and I guess that's the reason we just absolutely love it. That is the concrete wall. It's a column basically. So we've just exposed that. We've taken off the plaster. We've treated it very interestingly with a polish. And those pictures that you see are shot by me during, I think, 2010. Haridwar, yeah. Okay, so those are Haridwar series. The other picture, the black and white that you see, is from Kutch series, another travel picture. So Tulsi ji is getting geared up, I guess. Okay, so that's the formal living area. Very crisp center table, beautiful setup by Zainab and Prerna. They've done the photo shoot styling, and I think since the day of shoot we've kept it just the way it is. That's a lovely gift by our friends, our dear friends Alan and Anka, and we're taking very good care of this plant. I'm sure, Anka, you can see that they're growing new fronds. So I guess they're scoring good marks on that one as well. See, I can show you the new fronds. Okay, and of course, let me show you the table setup. Zainab and Prerna, thank you again for this one. This is really nice. We really love it. Okay, and then comes the hero of the house. We'll actually revisit the balcony again once the sun is a little more down. So the concrete wall that was here inside continues outside in the balcony as well. And an interesting wall, which also is a photo op for us, photo corner maybe, or a selfie point, you would say. This becomes a beautiful space for us. A lot of our friends actually hang out in this balcony itself, and that kind of speaks about the philosophy that we live by, celebrate life. I know I'm getting pretty serious, no? Okay, anyways, I'll show you a little nest of our birdie friends. And you thought you would see only one house, you're getting 1 for 1 free, see? Okay, so that's a very smart mirror. Interestingly, because I like to enjoy the sunset from here as well. So there's no direct sun on you, but still you can enjoy the sunset from the mirror. So it becomes more fun to kind of just keep seeing the reflection. And of course, once the sun goes down, we'll see a little better sunset as well. That's a beautiful gift again by few of our lovely friends, Abby and Rupali. Those beautiful birds are again gifted by our friends, Chaitali. By the way, lovely plants as well. So I'm sure by now you know when you're coming home, you need to get us some more plants, I guess. That's by Akshada. Thank you, Akshada, so much. So trust me, guys, these plants are actually keeping us alive. They are really, every day we kind of excited to see what's the new bud coming up, what's growing in, what's shaping new. I hope I don't drop the phone down. And of course, a new addition to our family is these beautiful birdies. So hopefully in the next week we'll be hearing them also. And that's our son trying to hide from you guys. He's been told to have fun. Darsh, hi. Say hello to everyone.
Hello everybody.
Okay, will you take us on a tour to your bedroom, please? Okay, so he's agreed. Let's go there. We'll follow you, Darsh. Come. So, okay. Also, meanwhile, when Darsh is going to the bedroom, I'll like to speak about these lovely foldable chairs. These are quite handy. So we normally fold them and keep them on the sides. And whenever we have friends over, we just kind of open them up and enjoy the sunset here. Most of the times we are just chilling around in the balcony. And okay, about the flooring as well, the same terrazzo floor that was inside. It has a leather texture. And of course we've mixed a lot of granite and kadapa and created this interesting pattern as well. So let me follow you to Darsh's bedroom. Where is the bedroom? Do you want to take a guess?
Open the door.
Okay. So now Darsh is going to play Tulsi Virani for us. Hi Darsh.
Hello.
How are you?
Hi.
May the force be with you.
Yeah.
Okay, so he's a Star Wars fan. And of course he's traveled a lot with us. So he's kind of really collected a lot of things with us. Let me start with his collection. Darsh, you want to speak about your collection?
Which collection?
All your posters.
Oh, okay. So, while we were in London, I got this tea. What can I tell you? Tea cloths. So you keep it down when you.
Okay, so they are called tea towels.
Yeah, tea towel.
Yeah, so these posters are actually fabric. They are tea towels, and we've just framed them really well. So they basically become an interesting poster.
So this wall is about only Star Wars because of my friend Nirali.
So Nirali used to work with us, and she's got him hooked on to Star Wars, and of course Kashyap uncle also helped him a lot.
About Star Wars.
Okay, and
Lights.
okay.
So these lights are color changing, so they keep on changing.
Can you give us a demo, Darsh? No, it's okay. You can just switch on the lights.
Can you reach that?
No, it's okay. You can just switch on the lights.
No, it's
Okay, so he wants everything perfect. He wants the setting. Okay, so those are the beautiful fonts from California, which one of our, as in our sister had gifted. So they have been again with us since last 10 years, and we use them on the door. Forms an interesting pattern again.
And this
By the way,
shelf.
okay, yeah, that is his bookshelf and kind of his dressing corner inside.
No, this is the desk.
Okay, that's his dressing corner.
And that's again a shelf just for books and photos and other things.
Okay,
Drawings and other things.
okay.
So,
Dash, would you want to tell us about your bed?
yeah, so the beds, they have 4 beds. I have 4 beds. So we can remove them and stack them. So if I have a pajama party or any other party and I want to remove them and some other kids want to sleep in my room or they are going to sleep with me for a sleepover. So I can remove these one by one and get...
So guys, did you note the point? He is ready for a pajama party. Okay.
yeah, so the lights are now on.
Okay, so the lights are now on and we'll get to
Play
see.
some songs.
Okay, so that's his friend Alexa, and of course
Play some songs.
his study table has been hijacked by Anu
Yeah.
for work from home scenarios.
Bollywood workout on Amazon Music.
Okay.
Right.
So he's all set for the party. I hope you guys get kids very soon so that we can actually have a good party out here. Okay, Dash, thank you so much. I really love your room. May the force be with you. Thank you. Okay, so now we'll exit his room. Let him enjoy his space. So, as you've already seen two spaces, you've seen the kitchen, you've seen Darsh's bedroom, you've seen the balcony, but we'll go there again in the end so that we can take a little bit of glimpse of the sunset as well. And that is the master bedroom. So if you see, there's a drastic flooring change. So right from the terrazzo, the mosaic, it just changes into a beautiful kadapa floor with, of course, lovely Foglidoro flooring which is inserted inside the kadapa, which is an experiment and, of course, probably has worked till now. So that's the floor. That's another reclaimed spice crusher, this one, which we've utilized as a side table for Anu. Of course, Madam has been fascinated with arches, so another arch here. Actually, this arch actually coincides with the arch in the kitchen. So once I go really back, I'll be able to show you how these two arches actually speak to each other. So now you can see the arch in the kitchen and you can see the arch in the bedroom as well. So they're kind of in sync and speak about a little bit of continuity as well. So we normally prefer our bed really low, and that's how it is right now as well. So the bed is really low. It's like 10 inches mattress directly on the floor, and that's the artwork. Very simple, very minimal, and absolutely no frills basically. And that's the balcony from where we again enjoy our views. Not really, actually we enjoy more of the views from the living room balcony. That's the corner here. I guess I have missed out in the living room this corner, which is speaking about this text, breathe. It's a beautiful reminder, basically. We've been so busy, we've been so caught up with our crazy daily lives, city lives, urban lives, hectic lives, and we almost forget about focusing on breathing, so that's a constant reminder. Okay, so I will also start taking questions now because now I am a little relaxed with the tour, I guess. So I can flip back and I can take questions. If you want to ask me any questions, I can really take them right away. Yeah, hi. So I'm back. Okay, so I think somebody asked me what's the texture on the balcony walls. So that's a basic concrete plaster, just that it is instead of typical laying, it has been done with hands, and it just makes the entire hand texture just speaks its own charm, you know. It just completely connects you that human emotion which really is required in a space, you know. Yes, fiddle fig, we normally keep it here. It does get enough of light, but some days on the weekends we kind of move it outside as well in the balcony, so it survives, you know. Yeah, I'm not ignoring my friends at all. I know exactly what you're trying to do distract me completely. Okay, so Vanessa has a very interesting question. Where are the wardrobes? Okay, Vanessa, I am really sorry that I missed it out, but let me show you what we have done. While planning itself, we have kind of encroached upon Darsh's room, and so this offset that you see in his room,
What was your design inspiration for the?
this offset is the real wardrobe for us, and of course his wardrobe is a nice smaller one, which is this one.
Can you go to the bathroom because someone said bathroom also.
Oh, okay.
So you can open up this bathroom.
Okay, so let me take you to this bathroom. Tulsi ji, can you please help me? So now we'll have another.
Somebody called it Tulsi.
Okay, so that's the powder bathroom. That's the powder bathroom. Yes, there's a beautiful text on the mirror which says life is a balance between holding on and letting go. A lot of my friends really burst out laughing when they enter the bathroom and they read the quote. It's basically fun bathroom humor kind of thing. Very simple and clean bathroom, no major frills. Beautiful Kadapa floor, shiny glittery tiles, and an intelligent quote. Intelligent because it's by Rumi, philosophical, but just because it's placed in the bathroom, it just makes it more humorous. Okay, now I'll take you to the other bathroom, that's the master bathroom. Okay, so that's the master bathroom. Simple and clean, no major frills. The basin is customized basin by us. Why so serious? No, I'm not serious. I'm just trying to finish this task so that then I can get to the fun part as well. Yeah, Rumi in the bathroom, absolutely. Okay, so now let me take you to the beautiful part. Okay, so now focus, guys. The bird is already sitting there. Okay, she will get conscious and she will fly. So the minute I will open the window, she will fly. So keep your focus absolutely clear.
And open.
You will see her flying. That's it. Did you see that? Okay, lovely. Yes, Iram, I'm smiling, absolutely smiling. Zubin, I normally sleep outside. I have a bed in the lobby, and that is where I sleep. So सनसेट के पहले कोई नहीं जाएगा जी बिल्कुल एब्सोल्युटली कोई नहीं जाएगा सनसेट के पहले आई एम गोइंग टू कीप दिस completely locked in, and of course the account is up for auction as well, so whoever pays me a good price, I'm selling this account to you guys. The funds can be transferred to me, no issues. And okay, so anyone who suggests me a good song today will get a free gift from Good Homes. You'll get 6 issues of digital copies of Good Homes magazine for the next 6 months. So give me a good song, guys, come on. Okay, so Nehal Jalan is saying that she wants to see the kitchen again. Okay, I'll try to do that. No, Iram, you've not lucked out, for sure. Okay, so basically you see the creek and you see the reflection of the sun. So when the sun sets, it's just a beautiful, complete beautiful experience at all. Yes, Nitija, you want me to sell the account? Okay, okay. Nitija wants a cut in the auction as well, so it's okay. I'll transfer 50% amount, Nitija. It's okay. She felt very left out, you see. So who's giving me that song? Acha, Imagine. Okay. Why so serious, guys? Come on, give me some fun song. Don't worry, be happy. I like that song. You get the 6 months package as well. Am I overcommitting? Anyways, okay. I hope Ronita is not going to kill me after this.
Nitija might.
Nitija might, yeah, I know. Nitija might kill me.
Or even Seema. You never know.
Yeah, exactly. So there are no ceiling patterns. In fact, we love to keep our ceilings clean. In fact, there are no fans in the living room. If you see, there's a good amount of breeze that flows in, and due to the cross ventilation, it really doesn't feel like. But yes, nowadays due to the summers, it kind of feels a little hot. So simply switch on the AC and you're sorted. No fans required. Yes, bedrooms do have fans. The words mentioned on wall are made of MDF. Yes, absolutely, they're made of MDF. This one is made of MDF, which is installed before the painting was done. And the other one, this one, is made in acrylic, purely because it's outdoor, and I didn't want the MDF to give away, you know. So it's made in acrylic so that it just stays for long. Shanawaz, I want to break free. I love the song, absolutely. You win 6 months package of Good Homes Magazine digital copy too. Okay, so now
And how is the kitchen? What is the kitchen stone? So kitchen stone we can see.
kitchen stone. Okay, somebody has asked what is the kitchen stone made of. So kitchen stone is the Kalinga stone, which is easily available. It's a grey color. Nothing too fancy about it. Just clean details. That's it. So we like the details absolutely clean. And of course, even in the utility kitchen, we've used the same stone. So keeps edges really clean. You know. So just becomes easy to maintain as well. Sabiji, yes, Bahar Andar Hai is a beautiful song also. Bahar Andar Hai. Acha, that's not a song. That's Bahar. Oh, you're hinting at the bar. Yeah. Absolutely Bahar Andar Hai. We will stay in the balcony and sleep in Darsh's room. Okay, yes, absolutely. Okay, so now are we opening the forum for questions? Any other flooring pattern? Okay, yes, there is one more flooring pattern which is in Darsh's room, which is just simple lines, not much.
Window बंद कर दिया तो बहुत बड़ा.
So that's the only flooring pattern.
Where is washing machine?
Where is washing machine? I think I showed that in the kitchen. It's in the utility kitchen. That's the utility kitchen. So just right next to the mojito drinks, there's washing machine. So you can enjoy your laundry exercise while enjoying the mojito. Simple as that. You be mean, Prashant. Sorry, I'm absolutely clueless. Kunal, you need to tell me what your song is.
House, Prashant?
Sorry?
Is there TV in the house?
Oh yes, there is a TV in the house, but we really, I mean, as a philosophy, even I don't really like to watch TV a lot. So the TV is there, but it's in the bedroom and just a single TV. So yes, we kind of binge watch also, but that's only on weekends and only together as a family. So yes, there's a TV. But normally I kind of do not prefer having television as a major distraction box inside your living room, because I personally feel that living room is more about interacting, getting together, coming together, talking to each other, rather than.
Which area do you use maximum during the lockdown?
I would normally say balcony, just because these days the bulbul has laid the eggs. That's why we try and avoid to disturb her. And
It's a dining table.
so right now, yes, it is the dining table for now. Can you please show your bar? There is no bar as such. I just have few glasses kept, and the rest of the stuff is hidden. So you'll have to visit us when you want to see the real bar. So that's the only interesting detail out here which we've taken up.
Is there a coating on the wall? No.
Is there a coating on the wall? Which wall?
I think the concrete wall outside, or maybe this wall somebody is asking.
Okay. Yes, that is, as I mentioned earlier, that's a hand plaster.
Oh, I think the main column we have coated with the lacquer coat, I think.
Oh,
Clear
okay.
lacquer.
So this, the concrete thing, yes, that's a lacquer coating. Okay, so now I will switch to show you myself and Anu, and we'll discuss about the questions that you have. Okay, so anybody, any more questions? Okay.
I think more
so-
2-3 questions we should take because the session was only for half an hour. I think we extended.
See,
too
the
much.
session was supposed to be for half an hour, but we've given extra time, so we want overtime. I will write a email about this overtime thing to Good Homes team. If not answered by Nitija, then I will have to ask Ronita. I will have to escalate the matter. And still, if it is not answered, then I'll have to report to Modi ji and ask him that these guys are not paying my wages.
How did you write on the wall, Prashant? How did you write on the wall? It's not written. This one is a sticker.
Okay, so this one is a sticker. Yes, it's written. Life is beautiful. Brew being the pun out there. Okay, so Anu, anything that you want to mention now again, or you want to close it, or you want to?
I think most of the questions people are asking again and again. I think about the kitchen, but I think practically the kitchen is doing very well. It looks small, but because of the extended utility area, most of the things are covered up in those zones. But it's divided into 2 parts.
So it's mainly that she wants to keep the cook happy, as simple as that.
Obviously,
Apart
Prashant.
from that, there is nothing to be addressed in the kitchen. So whoever is cooking, just keep that person happy, as simple as that.
She saw my question.
Nobody's cut my hair.